Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AXSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where all these red and green line annotations are coming from. But now that we have more info, and I don't want to cause confusion because there's clutter all over the place. So what I want to do here is just focus more so on some of the overarching levels, of the chart from a support and resistance standpoint. And the first one being, this area of resistance up here at $8.70, give or take. And you can see that the price is once again flirting right up around this area. I did talk about it being, that level of resistance in Monday's video. And that is essentially played out. Yeah, the price was able to get up above it a few times, but the price was never really able to separate up above it. So 870 still seems to be this pretty stubborn area as far as resistance is concerned. Now, another area to look at this, and what I'm actually going to do is just adjust, now that we have more data, up to the other level of resistance. So don't get me wrong, 870 is still kind of more so the overarching level, but the newer area that showed up today was right up here around $9.15, which is essentially as high as the price could go. So it's kind of a double whammy. You have 870 from more of the overarching level, and then from just a flat-out breakout perspective, that's where the $9.15 mark comes from. But if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile breakout, then it's almost as though 870 has a magnet, and every single time the price has gotten up above there, it's, the magnet has sucked the price back down. So 870, overarching one, but from more of a trading and a breakout perspective, that is where $9.15 comes into play. As far as areas of support, the one area that I found pretty interesting was that the price did have a nice little upwards trend the entire time throughout the day. So we'll see if the price can hold above there. In the event the price does, break to the downside of that trend line, at that point, the next level of support, and as far as where the price I could very easily see headed, would be down to $7.15 at minimum. So again, so far so good. The price is slowly trending upwards, and which has constructed this uptrending trend line here. But if the price doesn't hold above it, then yeah, $7.50 would probably more than likely be where the price is headed. All in all, though, interesting chart. So a lot of volume and volatility in this one. I know I'll be watching it on Wednesday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.